Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica key fob. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the fob and vehicle key ready. Lock and unlock doors manually, then insert the vehicle key and cycle the ignition between off and run positions 5 times, ending in run. Press the fob buttons to confirm programming and repeat if the fob does not respond. Before programming, take a moment to prepare calmly and avoid distractions. Check the key fob battery and close every entry point on the vehicle to keep the system stable. Gather any extra remotes you want to program in the same session so you won't need to repeat steps for each fob. Keep the vehicle key at hand and be ready to count ignition cycles and button presses precisely for reliable results. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your Pacifica smelling great after all that wrenching and button pressing. It's a small, friendly touch that makes your ride nicer. Check the video description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps slowly and deliberately to program the fob. Insert the vehicle key and cycle the ignition off and on 5 times, finishing in run and leaving it there. Within 30 seconds, press and hold lock and unlock on the key fob together for 7 seconds, then release. If the door locks cycle or the horn chirps, programming succeeded. Test lock and unlock buttons to confirm full functionality before exiting the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.